guys, my name is Syed Sharar, and today I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about the engineering code of ethics. One of the things that I would like to discuss today is NSPE. What exactly is the NSPE? It's the National Society of Professional Engineers. This was founded in 1934 with the sole intent of getting engineers to the next level, to help improve them. With the way society is right now, nobody wants anything less than perfect. So their job is to help engineers get better. Another thing that this organization is a part of is making sure that people are not only hiring the engineers because of their qualifications, but also because of their ethical background. The last thing you want is to hire someone that doesn't see eye to eye with you or takes advantage of you. So in a sense, you could say that they're part of, creating equality for not only the professionals, but also for the people. With that in mind, one of the things that I'd like to say is that, what exactly is the Code of Ethics? Code of Ethics deals with, basic sets of principles, things that engineers have to follow. They're like guidelines. You cannot get away from them, and if you abuse them, you are you're not doing the right thing. So this is something that engineers have to follow, and it's something that helps govern us. Take BP, Deepwater Horizon, for example. One of the things that you're not supposed to do in engineering is you're not supposed to lie about things. In other words, be accountable for what you do. Basically, what happened in that event is, a company was drilling for oil, and natural gas started forming, and it erupted, causing large scale of oil leakage. This was actually one of the, if not the largest, marine oil spills. And the engineers that were involved with it, because of the cost cutting, they had no say in it because the stakeholders are the ones that are pulling the shots. If you know something is wrong, stand up for it. Don't just take it. You need to let them know. Because that the engineers said what exactly happened, they were not given harsh penalties. They got away with the minimum. So make sure you're doing that too. Another thing is, if you know as an engineer that your design might not work, you need to make sure that you take into the account that there's different variables that you're going to be working with. Let's take the Tacoma Bridge, for example. What ended up happening is the designers, or the engineers that designed this thing, did not take into the account that there are external forces dealing with the air. So what ended up happening is this bridge collapsed because it was oscillating back and forth. It was unstable. So they didn't take into the account that this could have happened, and so make sure as an engineer that you're telling the people if there's something wrong with your design, you're letting them know that you need to reevaluate and come back to it at a later time. Another thing that you're going to be in charge of as you grow older and in your profession is employment. There's a reason why there's positions available. Don't do anything unethical. You're in charge of people's lives, so you want standard of living to be good and in place for others. And you also want to consult with your employees and your owners if you want to hire someone. This also brings into the question of stealing people from other companies. Don't do that, because they're doing exactly what you're doing, is improving people's quality of life. Don't try abusing that. Please, please, please do not beg. You're an engineer, you've gone through stages of life, you have the knowledge and accountability, you know what to do. Don't make your profession look bad because you don't know how to do it. If you don't know how to do something, study and make use of it. Don't try to pin your profession in something. Be accountable for your actions. Finally, make sure you say things to people that are, you know, deserving of things. Don't try to undermine them. Give thanks to people and don't discriminate against them. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to the presentation, and have a good day.